All right, it's a Saturday after Thanksgiving, which is the Clemson-Carolina game. And before the game starts, we're going to blow up 2 pumpkins. Gamecock pumpkin that Clemson fans can trash talk on. We got Clemson fried chicken and queers love cocks. Well, Clemson who? Nice tiger meat. Fans, we assholes. Fans are assholes. Yeah, I like that. Dabo spelled backwards is oh bad. Clemson's quarterback can't spell his own name. Clemson cheerleaders don't shave. Go Tox. Go Cox. Exit Tigers. Them sucks. I love Clemson. It's their fans that I think are assholes. Cox by. Okay. There's pumpkin all over here. Yep, there's the anthills. They're gone.